Well, I'm Dr. Sas.Biswas here in Bengaluru on Kashwanali Road. I was surprised to see some trees which are very dangerous to health and the environment of the city. And I come to know the trees already fined on the verdict of Supreme Court of India that these are the very obnoxious tree which this comes from the row you see. The trees belong to subtropical America, and they are called Buttonwood, and they have got the flowers, and the flowers release the allergic pollen grains which are detrimental to the health, the respiratory system, to what not. In some parts of Middle East and all, these trees have been introduced. There it is called the green desert. It grows very fast, cover the whole area, does not permit the other trees to, other plants to come up. And as you can see here, this also breaks the infrastructure of the road and all. I learned that over 10,000 trees have to be cut down by Municipal Corporation of Bengaluru, and there are certain agencies who are objecting about this, but these are the dangerous trees. What I find, Bengaluru, or so to speak, any other part of India, I've come to know from a friend of mine in Dehradun that her daughter got sick. The way the trees were making the screen along the child's school, and these are the same, but I was able to see here in Bengaluru. Interestingly, the tree has got the flowers typical of those what we find in case of Marobolans, the Terminalia Balderica. Let me go closer and see its flowers. And I just put on my mask so that it can avoid the inhalation of this. The flowers, they have hundreds of stamens and the pollens, and they all disseminate. This is called buttonwood because its fruit is butter-like, as you can see here. This is all covering. You just see here. This is how it is done. So I shall suggest to the authorities of Forest Department of Uttarakhand and also Municipal Corporation, they can be cut at the same time, at the same place where they have very meticulously put the tree guard. And look at this, the coffee shoot. And the coffee shoots, they're all coming and will grow into a very huge tree, making the road, although it's a shady tree. But there are the species like Ficus benjamina, Jamun, Peltophorum, and several others that can be planted here. Look at this, how vigorously it is coppicing. Means in forestry terms, they will all grow into the shoots, and so each will have more than thousands of the pollen grains, and this is all detrimental to health. And look at this, and I've learned that there are trees in several places, so we'll see when they are going to cut it down, although Forest Department has already taken cognizance of this, because they require removal of these trees. But when you remove these trees can be replaced by other eco-friendly native trees of India. But there are certain trees like benjamina, Ficus benjamina and all, that can be grown in place of this. And here in the opposite side, you just see here, to compare it. Look at this. You find Cabivo, the Peltophorum, and then Jungle Jalebi, what is known as Inga Dulce, and then Pongamia pinnata, Tebubia, Peltophorum. So why the agencies go for this species which is detrimental to health? It remains still the question. And when they're going to remove it, it's also a matter of great concern.